Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Portugal. You can see a rectangle here. Now I'm going to draw a circle in the middle, which is present in the symbol of the flag of Portugal. All right. So there's the outline I have done. Now let's make it a bold one. Okay. Inside. All right. With the another, you know, lead pencil, I'm just putting the outline. All right. So it's a whole circle in the symbol. Okay, now there's another symbol you can see in the middle here, and it's like a U pattern. So let's draw the U pattern here. Okay, U pattern. All right. Now few drawings you can see like a wire mesh shape in this here. Okay, and this one, this is a symbol usually present in the flag of Portugal. Okay, so lots of structures like this, just holding the icon in the middle. Another one here, another one here. Okay, all right. So these are the usual symbols. Now I'm just making it okay, bold point with the two structures here. So pencil drawings you can see, just making the colors bold. All right. So the colors and the symbols are very important for the flags usually, and inside it this is a red color you can see. All right. And few shapes you can see like these icons, one, two, three, another one on the top and another one in the bottom. All right, now we can divide the rectangular flag into two parts. One is green, another is red. So let's put the division points first, then we're going to put the colors. All right, so the left side we're going to put the green color here. Let's put the green here. Okay. Just filling up the middle points. So the green is done. Now we are going to put the red color on the right side. Let's put the color here. All right. Filling up the spaces in the middle of the icons. Okay. So when you put the color, you always try to make it as uniform as possible to represent a solid color form. All right. So this is the flag of Portugal. You can see it's a nice and complete drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.